Want the best mirrorless camera you can buy right now? You're in the right place. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. After testing everything from Micro Four Thirds pioneers to today's powerhouse beasts, here are the 5 that left the strongest impression in our real-world testing across genres, budgets, and user types. Firstly, Canon's EOS R5 Mark II is the undisputed heavyweight, easily the most versatile camera with blistering speed, intelligent autofocus that reads the game as well as a pro coach, and mind-blowing 180MP upscaled images. It's a true all-rounder for professionals who demand the best without the hefty price tag. Just a step behind is the Nikon Z6 III. It comes with the best AVF, responsive 60 frame per second burst, and rock-solid low-light autofocus. It's the most well-rounded hybrid camera Nikon's ever made, and its 6K video chops are nothing short of impressive. Next is the Sony a6700, top pick for APS-C shooters who crave performance and portability. It brings serious autofocus muscle and excellent 4K video in a compact body with an improved grip. Plus, the lens choice is the best in its class. For those who live behind the lens of filming content, the Panasonic Lumix S5 II is a quiet powerhouse. It doesn't shout about it, but its full-frame video quality, new face detection, AF, and intuitive controls make it a joy to shoot with. And finally, the Canon EOS R10 proves you don't need deep pockets to get great results. With 15 frames per second bursts and smart subject tracking, it's the beginner-friendly mirrorless that behaves like a mini flagship. So, if we're going and checking countless mirrorless options, these are the 5 models that deliver the magic. Which one are you choosing? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.